Good morning. Today, we have a fun one for you. We're going to take a look at the top 5 most popular giants of all time, and we'll list them by Google's search rankings. So please comment below if you agree with our assessment. Here we go. Number 5, The Big Show. Born Paul White in 1972, The Big Show is known as the largest professional athlete. Weighing in at a hefty 383 pounds, the show is a regular on WWE TV. Number 4, Manute Bol. Standing 7'7", this giant from Sudan averaged more blocks per game in the NBA than points. With an incredible wingspan of 8'6", he played in the NBA for 11 years. Number 3, Robert Wadlow. The tallest man in recorded human history, Wadlow stood 8'11". With a wingspan of 9'5" and a weight of almost 500 pounds, he actually weighed 2.5 times that of Manute Bol. Wow. Number 2, Yao Ming. This 7'6" former Houston Rocket may be the most successful Chinese basketball player in history. And number 1 is none other than Andre the Giant. The heaviest man on our list, he was once ranked as the most recognizable man on the planet Earth. What? That probably puts him high in the running for most recognizable man in the galaxy. Can anyone name this movie that starred Andre? Leave a comment below.
Hi guys, I'm Tori, aka That Tori Girl, and welcome to my channel. What is your diet fitness routine like? I do Orange Theory Fitness. My diet is all over the place. I try to do low carb, but obviously I have good days and bad days, you know. Hey guys, what is up? Tori Suicide here. I want to give a big shout out to everyone who is using Thinnergy to help lose some weight. High five to you guys. If you're not using Thinnergy, what are you doing? It is a great way to keep slim and trim. Really awesome to implement into your regular exercise and fitness goals. So check out Thinnergy and let me know what you think.